Dropified tutorial 2022. How to use Dropified for dropshipping tutorial. Hi there you guys. Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be talking about Dropified and how you can start using its services. So basically in this video I'll focus on the pricing, and then from that point let's check out the features, and then after that let's see what we can do for you guys to see how they actually work. Now if you want to use Dropified, or if you want to check Dropified out, just go to dropified.com. So it's right here. And so this is how their website looks like. So what you want to do next is to, of course, if you want to explore more about the website without logging in or without creating an account, just maybe go ahead and browse down, because, you know, everything that you actually need to know is right here. So let's start from this point on. Let's take a look at how drop shipping works. So this is basically how drop shipping works. So now, when a customer places an order on your, of course, Dropified powered store and pays you the retail price, what happens is that Dropified forwards the order to your supplier and to wherever the supplier might be. And then after that, the supplier then ships the order to your customer, and tracking details are sent to Dropified. So this means you basically don't have to do any sort of work. So what is it that you'll have to do? Basically just choose the right products that you'll put in your store, because the moment that you put in a product with high traffic, that generates a lot of traffic, well, that's the point when you start to make money. That's how drop shipping works. I think it's important for you to understand what traffic means, SEO, concepts of SEO, what people are buying, trending products, stuff like that. So you really have to take the pulse of the market, what is going on the internet, what people are buying, stuff like that, because, you know, drop shipping is a whole lot of competition. There are a whole lot of retailers out there that is, of course, interested in this kind of concept, because why not? It eliminates the additional work of like going to a store, picking up the order, shipping it yourself. So Dropified is here to do that job for you. You don't have to do it yourself. So now let's talk about the pricing of Dropified. You can see their pricing by clicking this tab right there. So once you do that, you'll be able to see these three plans right here. We have the research plan, we have the build plan, and we have the grow plan. So these, of course, they are different when it comes to the price. For the research plan, you don't have to pay for anything. For the build plan, you'll have to pay 19 a month. For the grow plan, that's the most expensive part, or a plan, I mean, that costs $47 a month. So what do you get from these different plans is that for research plan, you get to have the best for future sellers ready to find the ultimate winning products. That's what I was talking about a while ago, is that one way to be successful in dropshipping business is that finding the winning products out there. Next is the build plan. This is best for beginners ready to automate their business and start selling. Of course, research plan is also a beginners, but this is when you're trying to test the waters, when you want to know more about dropshipping, because, you know, you don't want to go ahead and pay for something and then eventually, you know, failing at it. So maybe you want to test the water first and go for research plan. Next is the grow plan. This is best for sellers ready to grow and scale their businesses with complete automation. All right, this is for complete automation. I don't know how the build plan and the grow plan is different from one another, but the grow plan, it says here that you can completely automate the transaction right here. So what else do we get? Let's check out here. For the research plan, what do you get is that you can access Dropified Chrome extension, which I'll be showing you right now. Just go to your Chrome web store and then search for the Dropified extension. Why is this important? Well, because you'll see later on what cool thing this does is that you can copy any types of products from AliExpress, and then copy the details, the pictures, and then by using this certain extension right here, you can do it, and without downloading or copying any text, stuff like that. Just install this extension, and then later on, let's go ahead and try it. Let's add it to Chrome. Okay, add extension right over there. And as you can see, it's already downloaded. Now let's get back to that later on. So what else is here? You can research and save up to 500 products to your custom product boards. 500 products for the business. For the build plan, you get to save up to 1,000 products. For the grow plan, you get to save 10,000 products. So 500,000 and then 10,000. So what else is here under free plan? Automatic margin markup, product image editor, one user account, no store connection, loads of step-by-step training. So if you want to get started with this plan, just click this button right here. Next, what else do you get under the build plan is that, of course, everything here and all of these. One store and two user accounts, which this plan doesn't have. Save up to 1,000 products. That was what we were talking about a while ago. Place up to 500 orders monthly. You can do that here. Basic support. No support here. Automatically fulfill orders made from your store and new Alibaba automatic order fulfillment via API. You can view more by clicking this. There are a lot more features that you can choose from. What else? Under Grow Plan, you get to have all of these and more. So if you want to check it out, go to dropified.com/pricing, and there you can find all of these information. Now, how do this extension work? For us to check that out, let's get started under free plan right over here. Let's click get started. Okay. And next is let's input our details. So let me just do that and I will get back to you in a few. All right, once you entered your details, you'll have to check your email and then of course verify your account. And that will be the next step. But first, let's answer 4 quick questions so we can ensure so Dropified can ensure that we have an amazing experience. So what questions are these? Questions such as what store platform do you use? So this is the time where you tick the store platform that you use. Do you use Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Commerce HQ, others, and no store yet? So if you have a Shopify account, click Shopify. Well, I do have a Shopify, but let's try to click on not or none yet. Now, what's your biggest challenge? Setting up my store, finding the right products, I think is the biggest challenge when it comes to drop shipping. So let's click this one. Next, do you currently use one of these? Oberlo, Deezers, AutoDS, Pocket, none of the above. Let's try and do that. I'm done and submit my response. There we go. Let's wait for it to load up and we are done. This is now the time that we have to check our email. So let me just do that and I will get back to you later. Okay, so now I am in my email. So let's log into our account by clicking this one because yep, we already set up our account. So now let's just click that one and let's set up our password. Let me just do that and I'll get back to you after. Okay, so I'm done setting up my password. So now it says, welcome to Dropified. And before you continue, it's up to you if you want to read that. But yeah, let's just stick this on. Continue. All right, so what do we have here? This is now the dashboard of Dropified. You have here a sidebar. So this is where you can manage your store. Clicking this one. Settings, access settings here. Products right over here. Saved products. Boards, alerts. US products, import products, Alibaba products, and stuff like that. And of course, your orders, you can also access them right here. Your business, profit dashboard, marketing feeds, sub-users, and other stuff. Next is, let's try to use the extension. Let me see if it's already done. Here is the extension right here. And as you can see now, we have here a pop-up window. Okay. So now we can save for later if we want to, but yeah, we haven't chosen a product yet. So let me just go ahead and search for watch maybe. Yeah, watches. There you go. Watches. Let's see. All right. So there's there you go. Now this is how the extension works, you guys. Now you don't have to copy everything. You don't have to download everything. Just click this one right over here. And once you click that, it is now saved in your Dropified account. So let's check it out if it's already here. Now let's check out products, saved products. And there you go. As you can see, the product that we saved from AliExpress is already right here. So the extension really makes it convenient. I'm a fan of that extension. So let's try and look for other products. Fountain pen. What about fountain pen, you guys? because I love to write stuff, you know. Fountain pen. There you go. Fountain pen, just like the product a while ago. Just click this stuff, and then it'll automatically be saved to your Dropified account right over here. So now what else can you do? Let's try to manage our store, manage stores right here. But of course, when you have, you know, money to spare, yeah, you'll have to pay for it. Apparently, I'm sorry guys, I can't show you how to do it because I don't have um money lying around. But yeah, if you have money, just go to like upgrade and then pay for extra money. All right, so what else? This is the sidebar. Next is the settings. What can we do under settings, you guys, is that the price markup, you can edit it here. For example, if you set price markup to 50%, a product that costs $10 will be set to $15. So the markup is really up to you. This is where you set your pricing. This is where you set the default weight unit. This is where you set the default product description. You can also toggle options such as make products visible, sync product inventory, etc., etc. So if you want to check it out for yourself, make an account with Dropify right now. And yep, the most interesting feature that I saw today is of course the extension. It's really really convenient, and I suggest you guys go try it out right now. So that's it for this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you again in the next video. Peace out.